Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're gonna do a short demonstration of the Autel MK808 kit. We have a Mini right now. We are experiencing an airbag warning light, so we're going to demonstrate this tool diagnosing and reset that. Now I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. The genuine and official products are in the links below. There are fakes and clones unfortunately, so try and stay away from those if you can. But if you want to get a genuine product, which you would, then use the links in the description below. So this is the Mini Countryman, and the process is going to be exactly the same for any vehicle that this tool is suitable for, really. So we have this tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and I'm going to click on to diagnostics, and it really should be quite a straightforward process. So we're going to find our manufacturer, which is Mini. Okay, you can automatically select, so it'll read the VIN number and it will acquire the vehicle details. Just means you don't have to actually physically and manually yourself put all of the vehicle information in, which can be a little bit time consuming. So it's found the vehicle, happy enough with that information, and it's now going to connect to the vehicle modules and systems. Well, it's going to attempt to do a quick scan of the vehicle so it knows what it's dealing with basically, and then it will allow us to start diagnosing specific systems. So we click on to diagnosis, click on control unit. You can do a full scan of the vehicle, or if you know exactly where you want to go to, in which case we do, then just use the menu to navigate to the specific option. So this is the airbag system, ACSM, read codes, and we've got two fault codes, two intermittent fault codes, 93097C, 93094, both relating to the driver's side connection, as you can see there. We did find a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which we have put back together. So that alone though is not enough to turn off the airbag warning light, so we can turn off this warning light now because we're happy that the problem is fixed. So we'll click on to escape. As I click on to erase codes here, just keep an eye on the airbag light. And I'll get past this message. There we go, the airbag light has gone, and it says on screen codes have been successfully erased. So that's all thanks to the Autel MK808 kit, which is a fantastic kit. It covers a lot of makes and models and systems within those makes and models as well. Not only does it do that, but it has service functionality as well. So if we go back to the main menu, you can click on service, and it does lots of different adaptions and sort of DPF functionalities and sort of coding options as well. So there it is. I'll put the link in the description below this video. That will ensure it takes you to a genuine and official product. I hope this video has helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.